Yeah. Yeah? I know. I know. Yeah. Hey, Frapper. Yeah. Yeah. That's Frapper. Is that Frapper? Yeah, that's Frapper. Yeah. Yeah. That's Frapper? That's Frapper, yes. Oh, don't nibble my fingers. Don't you nibble my fingers? Yeah. Yeah. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Yes, yes. You know you are. You're trying to bite me. That's not nice. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Are you smiling for me? Yeah. All right. It's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Frapper's beautiful. This one's going crazy. This one is Chico. Chico! What are you doing, Chico? Well, hello. Whoa, up close. Hello. I see. You angry? Huh? Don't be angry. Hey. Hi. Whoa. Up close. Ah. Hi. Hello. Hello. I don't have nothing for you. I really don't. I have nothing for you. Beautiful. Yeah. 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 Get down. Yeah. What are you doing? Okay, and this is Mr. Cat. Don't ask how he got the name, I don't know. Hello. Hello, Mr. Cat. You're beautiful. Yeah, you're very beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Gracie is eating. Oh, I didn't mean to disturb you. Is that good? Is that good? Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yeah. I'm not sure if you're supposed to talk to horses like you do like babies and dogs, but I do. Because I love all animals. They're probably looking at me like, you fucking retard. Oh, okay, this one is Goldie, and I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. Let's see. It's a girl, and she is the fastest horse that they have, and she makes money, yeah, because I'm so beautiful. I have to run away from all the boys, huh? Yeah. But she has a beautiful silver coat, and oh, it's just gorgeous. What are you doing? What is that? What is that? So big. Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. Did I get this one yet? No, I didn't. And they don't have a name thing, so I don't know the name of this one. Oh, there's a lot of poop. Are you eating too? Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Are you eating too? Yeah. Is that good? And this is, so if you can see it, Xana. Beautiful. Oh, you're eating too. Is it lunchtime? Okay, so that's what I'm doing on my little mini vacation, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I am. Alright, talk to you later.